Let the word of Christ richly dwell within you, with all wisdom teaching and admonishing one another with psalms and hymns and spiritual songs, singing with thankfulness in your hearts to God. The intellectual pathway. Individuals on this pathway feel close to God when they study the scriptures. They are not satisfied with their daily devotion. They want to dig deeper. They want to understand every passage, every verse, every sentence, and every word. They want to investigate the profound and difficult questions the Bible presents. These people need to be mentally challenged in their walk with Jesus, otherwise they'll become stagnant. All of this leads them closer to God. As stated before, people following the intellectual pathway like to intensely study the Bible and learn its secrets. They enjoy sitting down with the Bible, reading it and letting God reveal His truth to them. They also enjoy contrasting, comparing Scripture with the world around them, trying to see God's hand at work. These deep Bible readings don't have to be completed alone. These people may attend a Bible study with like-minded people to debate and explore the profound ideas. Individuals traveling along the intellectual pathway don't just use the Bible to intellectually stimulate themselves. They may also listen to hymns and other worship songs they enjoy, read books and articles, and listen to podcasts and lectures by biblical scholars they both agree and disagree with. All this gives them the intellectual and spiritual satisfaction they need. Another practice used is to try and memorize verses and passages from the scriptures, lyrics from the hymns and songs, and quotes from content produced by biblical scholars they read and listen to. By repeatedly rereading and re-listening to this material till it's committed to memory, read as ammunition and evidence for when they need or want to discuss and debate their theological ideas and beliefs. All this memorizing helps them see and understand the salvation of God and avoid being taken in by Satan's temptations, but also help others in these same areas too. The Apostle Paul is an example from the Bible who shows the intellectual pathway. He is attributed as the author of 13 of the 27 books that make up the New Testament, almost 50%, 48% to be exact. He's one of the most discussed figures in the New Testament along with Peter and Jesus himself. His letter to the church in Rome is considered by many as one of the most important and greatest documents written, not just in Christianity, but ever, and is used for the last 2 millenniums as one of the main documents in understanding the teachings of Jesus. Paul's other 12 letters have also helped Christians appreciate the complex ideas Jesus taught throughout his ministry. His understanding and insight into the scriptures that make up what we call the Old Testament and the ideas that would become the New Testament helps strengthen the faith of those in his day, our day, and in the days to come. The intellectual pathway is one of the most academic ways to connect to God. People who follow this road allow not only themselves but also other followers of Jesus to appreciate and understand the secrets and truths the Bible has to offer. After this video, study a book of the Bible for yourself and see what you can discover. Maybe you'll find something that will change your life or the life of someone you know.